What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, another evaporator coil in a carrier. Insert clip of finding the leak. There it is. And here's our unit. Bada bing, bada boom. Swap this bad bitty out right here. Pump everything back that's in there. And I'll also insert clip while I'm up there of, hold on, let me show you real quick. To go along with the EVAP, new TXV. And I know there's been some discussions with some folks. Now, are all coils like that with carrier, with the TXVs are separate from the EVAPs?
Almost all of them now are separate.
Let's grab the tools, get over there, pump the refrigerant back, shut the valves off, take a tarp, clear, boom, yeah. Yeah. All right, in here I got my vacuum pump. I'll show you real quick. I like to just kind of get everything in place. Got it like that, it's easier. Generally what I do is when I'm doing a condenser for a change out, I'm able to throw my torches, my nitrogen all in there, carry that all over with my tool bag in there while it's open top like that, and we're good. So like I said, I don't have any copper, so I'm probably gonna have to keep the dryer out here, but pop this off, like I said, and pump this back. Yes, you low. Boom. Shut the breaker off. So we're good out here. Nice overcasty fall feeling day. Almost feels a little wintry out, like nice old cozy day. Take my stuff off here and close that up real fast right there. And then I'm gonna grab my tarp. We'll get up there, make it look pretty. It's an evaporator coil, nothing extreme. All right, so we got to convert the drain pan over and the TXV. In the meantime, shut this off. in place. I routed the ball under here. There's a little indentation right here where we'll put it. We're gonna unsweat this little equalizer tube, run this little piece, and you can see it's got a little stop, and basically the brazing router solder that's right there will fill this, but I always put extra on there. So I'll do that before I put it back in there. Oh shit. Striker. I'll fix this afterwards. But first, let's go take out the core and flow some nitro. Let's go outside. All right, so we got that going for us. So what I'm gonna do is should still be on. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see. Big. They don't call me Mr. Leaks for nothing. Okay. I like to get it up around 50 or so. That's moving pretty slow. Yeah. Yeah. It's moving fast enough. I got a leak up there somewhere, so let's hit it up. Go test the waters. Really? Let's fix it. Let's see what she does. See, I like to get up to the, you know, maybe 30. Alright, that's 25, but it's holding pretty good, rising. So we'll just take it up to, we got 150, 200. You can go 250. Let me know down below while this thing's yelling at me do you go with the high side pressure, what the unit's rated for, or the low side? I've heard both ways. If it's obviously designed for the high pressure of 450 or the low side of 250, you know, I usually 150, 250 is where I go, depending when it stops. So y'all let me know, man. Sick. And then we'll stop it. Oh. Let's stop it and see what it do. As long as it kind of like rises a little. Alright. It's going to take some time to balance. So when it's like that, I'll take it up to 175. And my tank is getting a little low, so I'll probably just keep it at 200 today. Rock steady. Alright, we're at 206. It's 12:21. 0.6. I'll take a snapshot picture off my screen recording and we'll see where it goes by the time it's 12:30, 12:31. If it's around 206, we'll be straight. Alright, we're straight. Go ahead and release this. I got the doors on. I'll set up my pump, and while it's running and gets down to the proper microns, I'm going to be upstairs doing the drain line. If that interests you, I don't know. You get it. That'll conclude today's video and my sickness. Oh my god, no it won't. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. Another evaporator coil. Hey, tune in to HVAC nights on Thursday nights. Go over life, work, random shit. Tune in Thursdays, 7:15ish, 7:20. We try to be there. It's me, Adrian, and Kurt. We rock and roll, have a good time. But got that thing to, I don't know what the microns, 420. Juiced it up. It was 73 inside. So I'll put a picture of the pressures here. Anyways, smash the like button, guys. What the fuck was that? Yo, if y'all could, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.